So I'm going to show you the automated way to do it. We're leveraging two functions. The first is the end of month function, and that just gets us the end of month. This is a savior if you work in accounting. It's the best thing to roll forward your spreadsheets. And we're also using the text function to format our dates, to append them to text, just so we don't have to update that text manually. So starting off with the end of month function, under our document date, as I mentioned, it is October, so we would be in September month end. So I'm just going to go end of month, open bracket, and ask us for a start date. In this example, our start date is going to be today. And then you have to put it in brackets, comma, and then ask us how many months. In this example, I want to get the previous month end from today's date. Since it's October 14th today, I want to get September 30th. So I would go -1, which would take us back 1 month to September, and it would get us the end of that month, which should output September 30th. And when we do that, we see it does output September 30th. And the next thing about this is appending, using the text function to incorporate that end of month date into our text, so we don't have to update that manually once again. So here there's really two parts. The first part is adding whatever text you want to add. This part will always be the same. It'll be hard-coded. You want to add that between quotations, and then you want to put an and you want to put a text. So we'll just quickly show how that works. So in this example, I'm going to put equals, and the equal sign is really important. If you don't use an equal sign, none of your functions will work. And then I'm just going to put payment to ABC vendor, another quotation sign, and then a space, and and. And is really just, it's like a concatenate, or just appending or adding more text to our existing text. And then I'm going to use the text function, open bracket, and so ask me a value. What do I want to format text with? So I want to leverage that end of month date that we already got from our other cell, and then ask me how I want to format the text. In this case, I wanted to format the text with MMM, which will get me the month in 3 letters, and YY, which will get me the year in 2 characters. And close that off with some quotations and close my bracket. Oh, very quickly, you can see that there's no space. There's 2 ways around it. We could either add a space right here, and then there's no space there, or we can actually even add, if I take that back, we can actually even add another and sign, and then put a space in between quotations, which will act as our space in between this piece of text and this piece of text. And down here in this cell, we're using the same exact thing. In our production month, we're leveraging our existing end of month function, so we're referencing the accounting month, and we're just going -1, which gets us to our production month of August 31st. I will be posting the end of month function with the formula I used in the description. I'll also be posting this formula along with the different notations you can use for formatting text in the description. If you guys have any questions or want to see anything else, please include it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.